There's lots of reasons why people want to learn to code. In this video, I'm going to talk about 7 things that appealed to me about learning how to code and why I decided to become a self-taught programmer. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Dorian. If you're new here, this is my channel where I talk about my experience and my journey as a self-taught developer. I created this channel to help motivate others who might be teaching themselves how to code or just curious about starting. So with all that said, here are the 7 reasons why I decided to become a self-taught developer and maybe why you should too. Reason number 1, I needed something different. My entire adult life I had worked customer service jobs and hospitality jobs. My wife was pregnant, I was 31 years old, and my full-time job was parking cars at a strip club. I needed a change. I wanted it to be something new that was fun and challenging, but I had to be able to learn it on my own. So with no IT experience, I decided to teach myself how to code and became a self-taught programmer. Number 2, I wanted something that was in IT and computer related. Being a tech geek and a gamer, I always wanted a job in computers, but never felt like I was smart enough to get one. Growing up, I was the guy that would fix everyone's computers, and I loved tinkering with stuff. When I first started looking for a job in IT, I was actually looking at computer repair, networking, and security. I didn't even consider programming because I assumed, just like everyone else does, that you have to be super smart and be good at math and go to school for 4+ years to even attempt to do it. But that's honestly not the case. Reason number 3, flex time and unlimited vacation. Without a doubt, software developer jobs have some of the most amazing benefits and perks out there. Some places let you bring your dog to the office and have beer in the break room. And a lot of companies offer flexible schedules and unlimited time off. First thing I thought was how cool would it be to work the hours that I want and not have to be in the office from 9 to 5. Turns out that unless you're at some cool hipster startup, your company's probably not gonna want you showing up at noon with your dog and a 6-pack ready to pump out a bunch of code. Trust me. Reason number 4, the potential money I can make. I didn't believe it when someone told me that you can make 6 figures as a self-taught developer. It sounded like a multi-level marketing pitch, but it turns out to be true. Junior developers can make 40 to 80K depending on the company and where they're at geographically. It's crazy to think that you can learn to code completely for free in the comfort of your own home. When I was learning to code, I spent less than a few $100s, and if I was on a really tight budget, there were many resources that were completely free. And after 6 months or a year of teaching yourself to code, however long it may take you, you can land an entry-level job that pays you as much as what a lot of college graduates make with 0 student loan debt. Think about that. The fact that I could make a lot of money without having to go back to school was very important to me. I was in my 30s, I had a mortgage, a full-time job, and a baby on the way. Going back to school was just gonna be too difficult. Reason number 5, the opportunity to work remotely. We've all seen those digital nomad YouTubers who are living the dream, traveling the world, having amazing experiences, all while working from their laptop anywhere they want. That's pretty awesome. So like many of us do, I went down a YouTube rabbit hole watching the freelance workers and these remote workers working from different places around the world and thought, man, how cool would it be to land a job where I could do that? At the time, we were expecting our first baby, so Bali was out of the picture for me. It was still really appealing to be able to pursue a career that had those kind of benefits and options, which leads me to my next reason. Reason number 6, the possibility of becoming an entrepreneur or being able to freelance. So this goes along the lines of the same kind of freedom that you get from remote work. A great thing about picking up programming as a trade is that you have the option to become an entrepreneur or just do freelance work and side work if you'd like. You don't have to go and work a 9 to 5. You can be your own boss and choose what you want to do. There are so many great opportunities out there for developers to make money and start businesses. You can build apps, you can build websites, you can create your own startup. Really, your possibilities are endless. All right, here's the last one. Number 7. It had to be something that I can do well into my golden years. Being in my 30s when I decided to change careers, I wanted to make sure to stay away from manual labor jobs. Some of those were my early options before I decided to pursue something in computers. And just knowing that I might have to do some back-breaking work for the next 20+ years was just something I really wanted to stay away from. So that's when I first started looking into computers and then coding really stood out because since it's a skill that you can carry on for years and it's concepts that you hold on to for the rest of your life, really if you were in your older age and retired, you can use it to make extra money, or if you came into financial struggle, you'd have a skill that you can make great money and not have to worry about that ever again. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. So those were my 7 reasons why I decided to learn to code and became a software developer. Why don't you share your reasons down below in the comments and let me know why you want to become a software developer. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.